Having extra props for your drones is always a good idea. As you can see, the tips on this set of props is starting to fail, and that's a good indication that the materials themselves might be having some issues. So that's a good time to swap them out. I like to consider the propellers or the props on my drone cameras to be a consumable or a perishable item that is designed to need to be replaced. So this is a replacement set. Comes with a set of screwdrivers, which is handy if you're going to be divvying this up between multiple aircraft. And then it has, this is a 32 set, I think, or so it has 4 props for each of the places you need a prop. So this is like 4 complete sets of props. So this way you can stage them, and you can kind of see through the bag here. You've got the prop and the screws. It also comes with more than one screwdriver. So you can stage these, one with your bag or with your drone in the bag for an emergency, and then you can kind of plan these out. What I'll do sometimes is write the dates on here, put them in a box, and then that way I know for this drone, the date, and I'll know when to swap it out. Hope this helps.